Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make KFC-style coleslaw. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 8 cups of finely chopped cabbage, 1/4 cup of shredded carrots, and 2 tablespoons of minced onion. For the dressing, prepare 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 1/3 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of milk, and 1 1/2 tablespoons each of lemon juice and white vinegar. Don't forget 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/8 teaspoon of pepper. The key to KFC's coleslaw is the incredibly fine chop of the vegetables. You can achieve this by using a food processor, pulsing until everything is uniformly minced, almost like a relish. Once chopped, combine the 8 cups of cabbage, 1/4 cup of carrots, and 2 tablespoons of onion in a large mixing bowl. Make sure they are thoroughly mixed before moving on to the dressing. Now, let's create that iconic creamy dressing. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 1/3 cup of sugar, and 1/4 cup of milk until smooth. Then, incorporate 1 1/2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 1/2 tablespoons of white vinegar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/8 teaspoon of pepper. Mix thoroughly until all ingredients are well combined and the dressing is perfectly smooth. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. Pour your creamy dressing over the bowl of finely chopped vegetables. Stir gently but thoroughly, ensuring every piece of cabbage, carrot, and onion is coated. Once mixed, cover the bowl and refrigerate your coleslaw for a minimum of 2 hours. This chilling time is crucial, allowing the flavors to meld and the coleslaw to achieve its signature taste and texture. Enjoy your homemade KFC-style coleslaw.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.